Hello students, good morning all of you. Now we'll move to our next topic from chapter number 1, that is Elements of Access 2013. Access 2013 includes a new user interfaces as compared to the previous version. So you can able to see my screen here in Access 2013 interface. In this you have a program icon, then you have a quick access toolbar. See, in this you in the program icon you have a capital A, that is the icon of your Microsoft Access. Quick access toolbar, the save button, redo and undo button is there, and this is your title bar. See the name of your file, this is known as a title bar. Help button is available, minimize maximize button is there, and close button is there, like this. Okay, this is minimize maximize and close button, like this. Then you have a ribbon. See, many tabs are available: file tab, home, create, external data. So in this tab, when you open this tab, so many options are there. So these options are there on this ribbon, this called a ribbon. Okay, so in this here, this is your navigation pane area. And the last is your status bar. Status bar is there in the maroon color side, maroon color. Then this is your tab bar is available. In this tab, see so many data it's created in the database. Now we'll see what is the title bar. Title bar is nothing but your name of your file. It appears at the top of the window and displays the name of the active database, and by default displays the path to the folder where it is stored. And it also provides the tools for managing the program and the program window. Okay, so you can see this in the figure 1.2, that is a program icon menu option. I told you this is a icon, program icon, and in this you have these options available. Okay, move, size, minimize, maximize, close options. Then you have a quick access toolbar. In the quick access toolbar, which options are available? Save, redo, undo options are available. These buttons are available on the quick access toolbar. Next you have a help button. It opens the access help window where you can search for any information on access 2013. Next you have a minimize, maximize, close button like this. Next you have a ribbon. In this ribbon, this area is below the title bar. The top of the ribbon has a set of tabs. Clicking the tab displays its associated a set of commands. These commands are like file tab, home tab, create, external data, and database tools. So in this file menu, you can see these options available in the file menu: info, new, open, save, save as, print, close, account options. These menus are available. Next you have a database objects, tables, form, query, report, macro, module. These objects are there in the database. And now in this lesson, we are going to see the table, forms, queries and report. How to create a table, form, queries and reports. First of all, we'll see how to start a Microsoft Access. See, the simple steps are given in your textbook. That is to start a Microsoft Access. Select Start, then go to all programs, then click on Microsoft Office folder and open the Microsoft Access 2013. Okay, otherwise you can just click here, type here to search, that is ACC, and ACC. After that, see, Access 2013 option is showing me. Just click on this, it will open the Microsoft Access window. After that, you have to select what? You have to select a blank desktop database. Okay, this is cylindrical format, shape is there. You have to select this option, and it is it will showing you the blank desktop database window. If you want to change the file name, the database name here, if you want to rename it, you can rename it, and see the extension of your database, that is ACC, means access, and DB is nothing but a database. If you want to change the location of your database, you can click on this browse folder, and you can change the location of your database. After that, I am clicking on this create button. See, my table is created by default. See, now this is what, this is your project icon. Okay, this is your project icon, means this is a access window, Microsoft Access window is there on my screen now. This is my quick access toolbar. Save, undo, redo button is there, and this is the main, that is a title bar. See, my title is database 5, and the location is given where my database is stored. Okay, next you have a minimize maximize button. This is your help button is given. This is a ribbon. See, so many tabs are available here: home tab, create external data, database tool, fields, tables. Okay, when you click on some tab, it is showing you so many options. These options are located in the ribbon, on this ribbon. Okay, and this area is called a navigation panel. This is a navigation panel. All files, whatever you want to store in this database, that all file it will showing you here only on this navigation panel. Now if you want to change the uh, table name, then you can change it by clicking on this table option, and just right click on this, and rename option you have to select, and rename your table. Now you have to create so many rows and columns here. How to create that columns and rows, that we'll see in the next video, students. Till then, have a nice day, and bye bye.